Hello children, today's subject is English in workbook chapter 2, The Wind and the Sun. Read the following lines and answer the questions that follow. Who has spoken the above lines? These are some sentences. So who are speaking this? The wind has spoken the above the lines. What is the man doing the wearing? The man wear coat and he is walking down the road. What did the speaker of the lines claim? The lines claim about the wind and the sun. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct options. I can't get this coat off more quickly. That can you? Who said it? The sun, the wind, the rain. That is, the wind said to sun. We will see the who is stronger. Who said it? The sun. The man took off his coat off. Who said this? The hot sun. Fill in the blanks from the correct box. Sun. We will see who is stronger. The wind is blowing my coat away. Wind, sun, I give up. Man, I must take off my coat. And this very short answer the questions. What was the man wearing? The man wearing a coat. Who tried first to get the man's coat off? Wind tried first to get the man's coat off. Who succeeded in the getting the man's coat off? Sun succeeded in getting the man's coat off. And question number, short questions. What did the wind to get the man's coat off? The wind began to blow hard to get the man's coat off. What did the sun to get of the man's coat off? The sun shined hard to get the man's coat off. Who won the end? The sun won the end. And who said to whom? We will see who is stronger. Sun said to the wind, we will see who is stronger. Who said, I must hold it tightly round myself? The man said, I must hold it tightly round myself. Why did the man utter the words, what a funny day? Because sometimes suddenly changing the weather, sometimes hot and sometimes cold. That's why the man uttered the words, what a funny day. And some words make a very common pairs such as good, bad and black, white complete the following similar pairs. Weak, strong, read, learn, come, go, sleep, wake up, big, small, hot, cold. And come and some are rhyming words. Write rhyming words from the following. Hold, goal, kill, hill, down, gone, bright, kite, ground, pound, bat, hat. Rearrange the jumbled words. This is the jumbled words. We have to write correct words. Storm. This is river and lake, ocean, water, plant. And this crossword answers, plants and animals need to live. These are animals. We should not waste water. We should water clean. And air gives shape to things. And this grammar, play and walk to action words. Write 5 actions words having 4 or 5 letters. Jump, eat, work, study and talk. Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. The teacher is in the classroom. He sat on a stool. The book lies on the table. Rain, rain, go in Spain. I, white cow, sat under a tree. Match the following. He, his, I, my, we, our, their, they, your, you, she, her. Correct the following sentences. This is the wrong sentence, so we have to write the here correct sentence. I am a good boy. And here my mother, I am very kind. This is not correct. My mother is very kind. Here my friends are playing. You were with me yesterday. He is very kind. Punctuate the following sentences. This is in small letter, so we have to write in capital letter. Delhi is capital of India. India is also in easier small letter, so we have to write always India capital letter. First is I, so we have to write always it is capital in letter. Here A is in small letter, we have to write is capital letter. Are not you afraid of English dogs? And it is question markable sentence, we have to put here question mark. She is studying Russian language. She is in capital letter, she is studying Russian. Russian is the language, we have to use in a capital letter Russian and language, and put full stop. God is great and his mercy greater. God is always G, capital letter. He is great and he is mercy greater, and then put full stop. My first letter is always capital. My brother has gone to Agra. Agra is the place, so we have to write always it is capital letter and put full stop. India, it is also always capital in letter I. India and the United States of America. America place, so write here capital letter. Are friends and put full stop in the last sentence. How, H-O-W, H is a capital letter. How beautiful the rain is. This is exclamatory sentence, we have to put here exclamation mark.